just on my way home from work now. I don't know what I'm doing this evening, but I didn't obviously vlog because I've been at work since 10:30. What's it going to be vlogging when can't vlog in work? It would have just been me going, I'm going to work, then me going, I've just left work. So I thought I'll just start vlogging after work. I'm on my way home now. I haven't even toasted it. We're gonna bake Christmas cookies, and I've learnt on this, and it is wet and disgusting. So now I've got to dry my arms. Fantastic!
This is a very boring part of the thing, but don't worry. By all means, start my tits. You don't want to scoop? Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Are we supposed to grease those trays?
Yes! Pick this up and put that. We'll do it your way. To go in oven. Ah. Our first cookie. Yeah. Can you please fix all this stuff? I'm a fucking idiot. We ain't got no kitchen roll.
What do you want on your day? Because I sure as fuck want just all. Oh god, stop looking at them. Oh yeah. I love them.
10 out of 10.
Woo!
Okay, that's it for the vlog. I just had to cut down like an hour's worth of footage of us baking into like 3 minutes. So we had a bunch of L's, including spilling water, spilling food dye, me stepping on some of the cookie dough, burning 2 batches of the cookies, and the ones that weren't completely black burnt are also still burnt, but they're now covered in icing, so you can't really tell. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see. Well, you haven't got to give it a thumbs up. I haven't done it in ages. Okay, bye.